When lifted trucks kind of came to my rescue a little bit because they understood what I was going for. Because I needed a little help. I'm not a gearhead. Maybe the movies make me seem like I should know a lot about trucks. It's not like I do. I could never in my life figure out how to get those accessories that people get to always make something look better. Lifted trucks, they took a lot of decision out. Get your truck. It's probably going to look the way you want it, and if you couldn't imagine it, they can.